Hi! Today I am unboxing my September Sparkle Hustle and Grow box. I love this box. It's like monthly motivation delivered to my doorstep. They advertise it as the best business expense ever. So it's a monthly subscription box aimed at female entrepreneurs. So if you have a business, it's perfect. If you have any ambition, it just really helps you. Like, it's the best thing ever. I have opened this probably a couple of times on camera now, and I'm always so happy. 1 month was even all about YouTube or creating video content, which was perfect for me. And it was right when I started my channel. So it's different tools in here just to help you succeed and reach your goals. I have no idea what the theme is this month or what's inside. It's kind of heavy. It's always just jam-packed with goodies. So I'm just gonna open it up now, and it's always in this cute pink box. And it comes in a mini mailer or this full size. I get the full size. It's $39.95, I believe, and the mini mailer, which comes with about half the items. I think it comes with 3 to 4 items, and then this one comes with 4 to 6. And I think that one is $24.95. So when you open it, it always has the card right on top that says, "Yay, it's here." And on the back of this card, it has all the information, pricing, and some details about each item. And every month, in addition to the 4 to 6 items that you also get online training, and also you get access to the online community. I take part in that on Facebook. It's really awesome. So the training for September, it looks like it is the Speaker Startup, your first steps to speaking success. I clearly need help with speaking. Oh my gosh, awesome. This is by Jessica Rasdell, motivational speaker, best-selling author, public speaking strategist, and the host of the Creative Speaker podcast. Set yourself up for success from the very start with a clear plan of attack on your speaking topics, ideal audience, and how to make it all work together for your existing business. $97 value. Courses are pretty expensive. If you ever taken online courses, some are even like $300 that we get in here. Like $97 is still a lot, and of course covers more than the box, double, So that's awesome. I'm excited about that. I think I just am finishing up the course from last month. Well, the one from last month was more like documents and videos and everything, and I've been trying to do read one of the articles a day, and I think I'm done. So perfect timing. So I'm just gonna set this to the side. And then I see, it looks like this must have something to do with this box. It says, Mommies Hiring Mommies. Welcome to a new kind of hiring community by moms, for moms. Use the code SHG Box 20% off. Here, if you guys want to look at this. So that's cool. So women helping women, or moms helping moms get jobs. So yeah, if you want to pause and take that down, totally join. And that's the back side of it. I'm just a cat mom. Okay, next thing, let's see. Oh, what is this? A charger and cord case by My Tagalongs in a pretty gold color. It says, store and organize your tech accessories all in one place when you are on the go. Made of durable and protective neoprene, our charger case features 5 inner compartments. So there's Velcro. Yeah, so there's like a little 2 compartments here, and then inside there's more. But yeah, this is a good idea for those on the go. Usually what I do when I travel is I put my chargers inside purses I'm bringing. So this is pretty much the same, but it's specific for charger cables and all that. So let's see, where is this? This is $18 value. And on here it says, it features 5 inner compartments that you can hold your cords, chargers, and even your cell phone. This is kind of cute too. And I like how it has this little symbol in there so you can kind of know that it's your charger stuff. Cute. Set that aside. And then, what is this? There's like a little piece of paper. I'm just going to toss it over there. It looks like there's some anti-stress drinks by Natural Vitality. One is original unflavored. It looks like this is natural calm, a relaxing magnesium supplement. Vegan, verified non-GMO, restores healthy magnesium levels. It's a dietary supplement. So there's original unflavored, and then the raspberry lemon flavor. Let's see. I usually don't like raspberry flavored things. I think I had too much Smirnoff Raz as a teenager. But with lemon in it, I think I'll try it out. Let's see. Where are you on here? Oh, So these are just samples included in the box, so there's no price here. This is just like an extra goodie, I guess. Ooh. Oh, I love this kind of stuff. We've gotten something from this company before. Look at this cute packaging. You can kind of hold it up. Winx Lillian portable battery with micro USB cable. Awesome. So this is a portable charger for your iPhone, iPod, all MP3 players, all smartphones, any USB powered device. Who still uses MP3 players, by the way? Just curious if you do, let me know. Not judging, just curious. So it says, it's fun and flirty as a Winx. Our Winx portable battery gives a fresh and feminine option for your tech accessories. Color fits for all 4 seasons. The Winx girl has a battery to suit her every mood, outfit, or attitude. I used to carry a portable charger around in my bag, and I don't know what happened. I think I like spilt like a water bottle in my bag or something like that. It stopped working. That was a while ago. So this is $14.99. And when you charge it, I guess you get 14 hours of talk time, 11 hours of internet time. Cool. Okay, awesome. I like the color. The gold. Oh, look at this cute little, is this a USB or what is this? Sparkle Hustle Grow. Yeah, it must be compact USB flash drive, 1 GB. Never lose your presentation or product info again when the Wi-Fi goes out. Store all your important sale pieces on this tiny flash drive and keep in your case for quick access. You know, my computer doesn't even have a USB cord. This is $5.99, did I say that? But yeah, I have one of the newer Macs, like the MacBook Pro with the touch bar, and it has USB-C ports. So I don't know, maybe I can find someone who could use this or add it to my giveaway or something like that, but I honestly don't have any ports like that in my computer. I do want to get like a Mac desktop. I think it'll be easier like if I ever learn how to edit or anything like that, but that's in the future. I need money for that. Alright, so it looks like this is a magnetic notepad. It says Hustle on the top if you didn't catch that. Can you see? It's shiny. And this is called the Hustle Gold Foil Magnet Pad. For the movers and shakers out there, stick this 100-page magnet pad on the fridge and list reminders of upcoming speaking and networking events. Hustle, baby. $4.99 value. And then from the best-selling author of the Talk Like TED, the storytellers from TED speakers to business legends, the storyteller's secret. Why some ideas catch on, others don't. This is a $15.99 value, and it says keynote speaker, best-selling author, and communication expert Carmen Gallo. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. Gallo, I don't know. Reveals the keys to telling powerful stories that inspire, motivate, and educate, build brands, launch movements, and change lives. Cool. I think that's everything. Honestly, this is not my favorite month at all, but I like the whole concept and the training and everything and learning more about speaking. Every month has a book, and when you subscribe and you get access to the online community, they have book clubs. I've been really bad. I'm behind on reading. All I do is watch YouTube. I need to read more. But the books are always really helpful and go with the theme. Last month was Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, and I really want to read it and I haven't started yet. I'm bad. But yeah, there's an online community and you can do the book club together, so it kind of keeps you on track if you actually check the dates and everything like that, which I'm going to be better about. See, next month I'm going to tell you. I love notepads. I have a million of these things all around because I like to jot things down or else I forget, so this is probably one of my favorite. I can't use the USB cord, but it is really cute. I'm excited to try these samples. In the training, oh, and the battery. Okay, maybe that's my favorite. Like, I don't really need this because I have so many bags, but like most people don't get as many bags as me, like for my Ipsy and all those, I just have so many little bags. But I do like how this looks and it's cute. And I'm excited. I love watching TED Talks on YouTube. So I'm excited to read this. And yeah, the course will be good. I really need help with speaking clearly. I didn't think I messed up okay, I just messed with that sentence. I don't think I messed up too many words this video, but I definitely need to improve my speaking skills. So I like the whole concept of this month. So anyways, I will leave the link below, and I'll also link below the previous months because I think those were better than this one. Like, this one's not awful. It's just not as exciting to me as the past months have been. So I will link those below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.